Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a second Gmail account. So for us to proceed, I am going to show you that we already have our own first account or primary account right here. And if we are going to create another one, you can just head over here and click the add account, and then it's going to ask you to sign in. But there is an option here to create, so I'm going to go ahead and click this one, and I'm going to choose for personal use. And then from here, go ahead and type a name. So I'm going to go ahead and call this one, let's say something like that. All right. And once I have that one, I can go ahead and click next and then go ahead and fill in the information here. So I'm just going to go ahead and proceed with that. There you go. Click next. And yeah, there are options for you here to choose a Gmail address. So if I were you, I'd probably consider one of them. So in my case, this one right here, and then click next. And yeah, now it is going to ask you for a password. So we can go ahead and proceed with the password right here. And once you have the password written, go ahead and click next. All right, and there you go. So from this point forward, what you are going to do is verify or scan this QR code with your camera. And what it does is it's going to verify the device that you are going to be using this with, as well as your phone's contact number. So yeah, once you have everything going, you should be able to access or you should be able to see here your secondary Gmail account. And that, everybody, is how you're going to create another account here in Gmail.